So Billy, where are we right now?
No, don't do that.
Where are we though?
I don't want to do video.
Okay, maybe not. Okay,
No, don't start the video again.
Hey guys. Yeah, I'm annoyed. Do you want to know why? Because our train was terminated. Yay! Billy's enjoying this.
It's horrible.
Right.
There's no one else here.
There is actually.
It's like we're on our own at this train.
On this train station.
It's pitch black, loads of lights.
And we're a 40-minute drive away from home. And what's the time?
I don't know. No, it's
Check the
wait,
phone.
have a watch. It's that time. That time there. I don't know.
I can't see it.
Wait, it's almost 11.
11.
It's 20 past 11.
Guys.
It's horrible.
It's horrible, yes.
It was turned out to be a nice day.
It was a lovely day. We went out, saw people.
We
like,
went to get the
yeah.
bus.
And then we got the bus, and then we missed 3 of them. 'Cause someone.
You're joking, it was you.
Actually,
It was your fault. You
No,
saw the bus.
I
You didn't-
saw the bus.
You should have said earlier and I would have
No,
run
I
back.
But like it
I
was
would have
because...
run back. I would have run back.
Anyway,
It would have been amazing.
but
Then we
so-
could have got the earlier train. It wouldn't have been. Yeah, basically,
yeah.
What happened?
Our train went 4 stops, and then said that it had delayed because the next one had hit a person. Pretty much, someone committed suicide, and yeah. So now we're stuck here.
been a
Well, that
fatality.
picks us up.
It's been a fatality, as the man said. Yeah, and Louis' mum. Your mum's gonna pick us up.
And she has work.
I'm trying to.
No, you just speak.
Yeah.
Say it.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, you can stop.
No, I don't want to stop.
Oh, okay.
This is fun.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Wave then. Rude.